this video I will guide you through the multiple reports that our system provides. I will not dig into the details of all the reports, but only highlight the most important ones, so you could check the rest of it while you're in the LiveChat application. We divided our reports section into a few subsections. You can just check the data from the last 7 days if you need some quick scope of the information. If you need some detailed information, you can dig into the chats or the tickets reports. Each report provides an option to filter the data. You can use the time filter, agent filter, group filter, or a tag filter. You can browse through information such as your chat satisfaction report. That will show you the number of positive and negative rates that your customers left you, along with top-rated agents list, so you can see which agent is a good example and where you can find place for improvement. By the way, those icons are clickable, so if you click it, you will be redirected to the archives to see a specific chat. You can also measure the time of your chats, what we call the average chat duration. By using the filter, you can find, for example, an average chat duration of your support chats or your sales chats. Another important thing is response time report, which will show you the first response time and an average response time. Those are two statistics that you need to keep an eye on because they will reflect your customer's satisfaction. We recommend keeping the first response time under 1 minute because that will give you almost 100% certainty that your customer will leave you with positive rates. There are also statistics for your tickets. You can check the number of new tickets you created, ticket satisfaction rate, the response time for your tickets, and the number of tickets solved. If you will use the e-commerce function to measure your sales during the chat, you can also see the number of goals that you scored during the chat. These are also clickable numbers, so you can click it and get redirected to the archives, where you can see the chat related to a specific goal and the number of tracked sales that you've made. In my case, I'm not tracking any sales because I'm focused mostly on the goals, but if you also use Sales Tracker, you will see reports from here. Finally, the last function in the report that is available for our business plan is the export function. This is the report that you will receive directly to your mailbox. You can request it manually or set it up as a recurring report to get daily, weekly or monthly stats, sending it to a specific email or multiple email addresses. This report will be an Excel format, so in formats like CSV, TSV or TSV Excel. It will contain the information about each chat that took place in your license. There, you will find the information that your customer left in your pre-chat survey or post-chat survey, with the open questions and some additional information about your clients. You can access those reports anytime. There is no time limit when the reports are available, so as long as your license is active, you can return to the very first day that you started using LiveChat. You can also compare the data and see how your business and team evolved. That concludes our reports section. Please remember that if you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7, so you can contact us on our website anytime you want. My colleagues will be more than happy to provide you with all the information you need. Thanks for the attention and have a fantastic day!